Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide dimensions in FreeCAD. So first, if you want to do it, you need to create an empty file and then you need to select here part design mode. Now we need to click create body on the left panel and then we need to click on create sketch. Now I need to select here XY plane and I click OK button. Now we need to select the shape that we want to create, so I click on this one arrow and I select here rectangle. Now I draw here a simple rectangle, maybe something like that. I click escape and I click double time on the line and I click right mouse button on the line and I select here dimension. I create the dimension here. I type here for example 50 and I click OK. Now I select this line and I click right mouse button here. I select dimension. I create the dimension somewhere here and I type here maybe 20. I click OK button and how you see dimensions are visible here. So if you would like to hide them, you need to click on this one icon. It will let you to show or hide all listed constraints from 3D view. So I click on it and how you see it is invisible now. So if you would like to enable it again, you need to click on this one icon again and it will be visible here. So in this way you can hide or unhide dimensions in FreeCAD. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.